Well, we all know about our enemies. We all know who hate us. We all know who love us. We all know about those individuals who don't like us, who envy us, who hate us literally. Aren't you aware of those people? Yes, of course, you will be aware of those people. But are you really aware of those enemies which are residing within you, which are lying within you, hidden from you, and killing you inside, but you're not even aware of those enemies? Well, most of us are not aware of those enemies. But don't you worry. If you're not aware of those enemies, I'm going to talk about those 3 enemies which are lying within you, which are lying and sitting silently within your subconscious mind, and you may not be aware of. They act behind us. They do their job without telling us that they're doing their job. So what are those 3 enemies? Those 3 enemies are indecision, doubt, fear. How often have you realized that somebody gave you a new piece of work which you never did before, and you started to doubt yourself? How am I going to do this work? How am I going to start it? How am I going to finish it? And you feel like burdened, and you start to doubt yourself. And as soon as you start to doubt yourself, it leads you to indecisions. Just because of that doubt, you're not able to take the right decisions. And when these 2, indecisions and doubt, mix together, it leads to fear. You start fearing that thing. These 3 enemies are the symptoms. If you really want to eliminate this, if you really want to fix these, you got to really identify what are the root cause of these 3 enemies. If you know the root cause of 3 enemies, you will be able to eliminate these 3 enemies from you. Well, a small amount of fear, small amount of indecision and doubt is found in everyone, and that is absolutely okay. But if the level of intensity goes higher, it becomes a problem. It almost paralyzes us. So you really got to decrease the intensity of these 3 enemies and try to eliminate them. And if you will work, I would suggest you to jot down all the top fears that you have and try to analyze why you are not able to take the right decisions or take the quick decisions. Why do you have self-doubts? And as a result, why do you have fears? In most of the cases, it has been found that lack of a skill, lack of knowledge, which is leading to ignorance, is costing you big. As you might know, that risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. You will know that lack of knowledge and lack of skills is leading to ignorance, and ignorance is leading to a risk. And eventually you will find, because you're not aware of certain subject, you're not sure about what to do, how to do, it is leading to a fear. So the root cause in most of the cases has been found as an ignorance. So because of the ignorance, you don't have faith in yourself. You have a lot of self-doubts. It is causing indecisions. Because if the level of faith is very low, the level of fear will go high. And the only way to decrease the level of fear is to increase the level of faith. And how can you increase the faith within you? Is to upskill yourself. You can upgrade your skills. You got to become the version 2.0 of yourself. You really got to ask this question to yourself: how am I better than yesterday? And how am I going to be better than today? If you really work on your self-development, your skill level will go high, your ignorance will come down, resultantly your faith will go high, and as soon as your faith within yourself will go high as a result of increased knowledge and confidence, your ignorance and fear will come down. And that is how you can work on yourself. So I hope you would have loved this video. In case if you have any questions or any feedback, I would love to hear from you. Work on these 3 enemies, analyze them, jot them down on a piece of paper, try to identify the source and the root cause, and work on the root cause by upgrading yourself, by helping yourself becoming more efficient and enabling yourself to become more empowered. So with this thought, this is your friend Tausif Hassan signing off until we meet again. Have a fantastic day.